Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See Slurps Fresh Meal Fridays. Today we're making a twist on the famous cacio e pepe, which is an Italian dish, Roman dish actually, just meaning pepper and cheese. But again, I'm doing a bit of a twist on it. We're going to be doing a za'atar cacio e pepe. So za'atar is a wonderful Middle Eastern spice blend. Usually there's a bit of thyme in there, sumac, a bit of sesame seeds, and other various spices. There's so many different blends. It's going to give a nice earthy tone to the pasta. Without further ado, let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!